Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how I can simply go ahead and delete my AI on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and it's without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you would do, first of all, let's go ahead and access our Snapchat app over here. Once you have done so, we can find this kind of interface over here, right? So let's say we would like to remove our Snapchat my AI, which will be over here in this tab on this message box icon. We can find him over here, right? So even if we go to this option and tap on my AI, tap on his profile, we only have an option of customizing him. We do not have an option of deleting it. Three-dot icon, manage friendship, go ahead, tap on it. Edit name, nothing, like remove the person from the list or simply delete it. So for that matter, we only have this is added by Snapchat itself. We do not have an option for us to remove my AI. We can go to chat settings, we can hide chats. You can say 24 hours after viewing, but that won't work. You can still turn off the message notification so we don't get the notification from it. Other thing that we can do is we can go to our profile, we can go to settings icon over here, scroll down and simply go to this option called support, tap on I need help, and simply go to search bar and type in how do I unpin or remove my AI with Snapchat. We'll find that option here. And as you can see, to unpin my AI from chat with Snapchat, tap the Snapchat plus banner on your profile screen, toggle my AI from pinned to unpinned. You can see for unpinning purpose as well, you need to have a Snapchat plus, or to remove, you can see it, swipe right from the, and yeah, here you go as well. Snapchat plus will only require for you to remove your my AI. So these are the options for you: either get subscription of Snapchat plus so you can remove it, or you can simply go ahead turn off the notification for it. So this is it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.